Today I am having a different activity, model of a staircase. A staircase model made out of the leftover cardboard. From old cardboard box you can take the cardboard. Two pieces are required. One piece for the vertical portion and another piece for the horizontal portion, and make the staircase model that also made out of cardboard. You can give proper coloring with the help of poster color. So this is your craft work. So we are going to combine craft work and electric connection. We are learning electric connection through such projects on craft. So in the staircase model, we made a lighting model. Here 3 LEDs connected as a strip in series. It is used which give white color, and I covered with a plastic file leftover material. Now there may be a plastic covering on top of the spiral binding and all. From that I cut a small piece and then made like a tube light structure, and inside you can see the see through, you can see an LED strip of 3 LEDs inside, and 2 switches are there. For DC I have used toggle switches, 2-way switches, 2 numbers, one downstairs and one in the upstairs model. Behind this cardboard, the wiring, the battery is 9-volt type. I have used a battery snap to avoid loose contact. So these are the items needed. After doing all the connections, now you can cover the back side with another chart paper so that it can have a neat look behind also. Today I am showing this as in a naked form to show you the connection details. After making this, now you can cover the back side with another good paper so that the circuit will have a neat look. The project will have an attractive look. Okay, then let us see it's working. We can connect a battery to the snap. I am connecting the battery to the snap. See, my LED is now glowing. Let us see it's working. See, I am switching off here. Switching off. I can switch on with this. See, switch on and switch off is possible from this side. See, now this is switched on with this help of the switch. I am going up, and then I want to switch off from upstairs. I am switching off from the upstairs. Again, if I want to come down, I need light for the staircase. I am switching on by using this switch, upstairs switch, and going down. By reaching here, and I have to save energy, I have to switch it off with this one. So this way we are doing our staircase wiring in our building, in our house. If there is an upstairs stair, light is connected by this means. So we are using 2 switches for its control. How this wiring is done, I will show you in another model, because this is not easy to find out. See, a transparent fiber sheet I made to learn how to do this staircase wiring. Normally for our building now we are using this type of switch, having 2 dots or 2 arrows which indicate this is a 2-way switch. For 2-way switch the indication is like that, because both the side can be on. So like that 2 numbers, 2-way switches we used, 2 quantities, and it is powered by a battery, and there is a battery snap for avoiding this loose contact. And here not to represent LED lighting, I am using one such model, not tube light model. Okay, LED lighting. See, let us see the working. Switching on with the switch, switch off. I can switch on with the switch, switch on, switch off. I can switch on with this, switching off with the second switch. Switch on with the switch, switch off with this. And wiring is done like this. You can see the back part. This is our source. How these two switches are interconnected. See? The center point is connected to battery and other two terminals. See, the top terminal of this switch connected with the blue wire. You can trace the blue wire and it is connected to the bottom. So, the top of first switch is connected to bottom of second switch by means of this blue wire. And take the yellow wire. It is connected here to the bottom and through this it is connected to the top. So, it is cross match, top to bottom, top to bottom. And only the middle terminal is left. Middle terminal is connected by red wire connected to the battery snap, positive, red wire. Okay. And this one, you can see this green wire. This green wire is connected from the central point of the switch. It is connected to the LEDs positive. So, LED positive to this middle terminal, battery positive to the middle terminal. So, the middle terminal is actually acting like a switch. And battery negative black wire connected directly to the negative of the LED. So, black wire is directly connected. It is not having anywhere the connection. See, it is directly connected. Black wire is directly connected to the LED negative. So, negative to negative connected directly. Only positive of the LED is connected to the switch, first switch, and battery positive is connected to the second switch, middle terminal. So, actually the switch is acted by the middle terminals of both the switches. So, this way the real staircase wiring is also done. In that case, instead of the small LED, we are using tube light or the lighting bulbs we are using. The same kind of switches we are using for staircase wiring for our building. And instead of the battery, we are using AC of 230 volt. That's the only difference. The wire size will be different. Now we are using very flexible wire, very thin wire, because we are using only 9 volt battery for representing this as a DC circuit. For AC circuit, we require thick wire and AC source of 230 volt. Instead of the small LED, we are using LED tube light. Okay. So, this way you can learn the wiring circuit in our real life. Make it as a model. This is just for demonstration model. But actually, if you want to represent this as a model, no, you can make it as staircase model like this. Okay, thank you.